Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about journal article reference in APA 7th edition format. First, invert all individual authors' names. Add a comma after the surname and then write the initial letters of given names. Following that, provide the publication year in parentheses and add a period. Afterwards, provide the title of the article without italics. Only capitalize the first word of the title and proper nouns within the title and the first word of subtitles, which come after a colon. Then add a period. Add the name of the journal in italics, a comma, the volume number in italics, and the issue number in parentheses without italics. Remember, there's no space between the volume number and the issue number. Then add a comma, the page range, and a period. You should also include the DOI if it's available. Check out the ELSS website for more resources, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.